SAP, ERP, and the support. This is a defining moment for life sciences. SAP and the support timeline present life sciences organization with a very critical decision. Stay on a legacy system increases risks and cost and delays the digital transformation. For life sciences leaders, this is a rare, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to modernize your IT systems. Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and supply chain management, enhanced by our STAEDEAN solution for life sciences, offers a future-ready alternative, delivering cost savings, faster implementation, and built-in compliance. On top of the Microsoft platform with AI and Copilot. For life sciences organization, this is more than a technical deadline. It's really a business critical moment. Remaining on an unsupported platform can introduce serious risks in your daily life. Regulatory non-compliance, security vulnerabilities, operational inefficiencies, and escalating costs for support, for example. And in a sector where compliance, traceability, and speed to market are critical, these risks can directly impact the product quality, your competitiveness, and they may result in audit failures and reputational damages. We, STAEDEAN, offer a validated ERP solution built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. It's built for life sciences. It's a modern, cloud-native solution that delivers agility, compliance, and scalability. And at the same time, it unlocks the full power of the Microsoft ecosystem. We offer life sciences accelerators that reduce the implementation effort by 40%, minimizing, the consulting hours and avoiding unnecessary customizations and integrations. Also, our modular licensing offer a lot of flexibility compared to the SAP bundle model. With our solution and our rapid deployment methodology, the life sciences organization can go live in months, not years. We offer pre-configured templates, pre-configured processes, automated testing, a validation toolkit, and streamlined data migration accelerators and methodology. Our solution for life science embeds GxP compliance across all the modules, from supply chain management to warehouse management, including manufacturing and weigh and dispensing. We combine our vertical solution with the Microsoft enterprise-grade security and platform. This is not just a system replacement, moving from SAP ECC, for example. It's a strategic upgrade that will position your company for a long-term innovation and growth. Our solution Dynamics 365 for finance and supply chain for life sciences integrates with Power Platform, Azure AI, Microsoft 365, and Copilot. So the end of support for SAP ECC and other legacy platform is more than a technical milestone. It's really a strategic wake-up call for all life sciences organizations. The risk of staying on an outdated system, it's too big, it's real, and it's growing day after day, from compliance failures to operational inefficiencies. But also this moment presents big opportunities. The opportunity to transform your digital strategy, to transition to Dynamics 365 for finance and supply chain management, enhanced by our solution, STAEDEAN solution for life sciences. You can modernize with confidence. The benefits of our solution are clear: faster implementation, lower total cost of ownership, and built-in compliance. So for life sciences leaders, the choice is no longer whether to move away from SAP, but how fast and how intelligently. And we can help.